It's early spring here in the North Hemisphere, and it's time to sow. Welcome to my garden. Thank you for visiting today. Hello. Before I go, I would like to give you a short tour of our garden. I'm tired, but this excited me. I'd like to show you the first rose. The first rose. Yeah, and most of the plants here, the perennial, are still sleeping. I don't even know if all of them will return. That's why I could hardly wait. I replaced them. I planted the plants last year. The tags are still here. The price are still here. Even look, it's full of newly planted perennials. Look at this. This will be our very first, what's this? Allium. Allium. It's just a decorative garlic. If you're curious how it looks like when big. If the label is honest, that is how it should look like when mature or when fully blossomed. Now, the plan is, I'd like to share you the plans. I'd like to open this. I'd like to open this to give an alternate entrance to the house or to the shed. And here is a destination. I'll show you. Let's have another round. This is a destination. That's a passage, and this is a destination. I'll decorate this with, I don't know, figurines, pots. This trees, I don't know, all this that I planted last year, they died. I think it's the rain, the continuous rain. Look, see, it's really costly. I wanted to cry. Imagine losing that, 75 euro. And here's another. That's why, losing this tree, I'm going to replace them with, well, I just replaced them, I should say, with this, something more edible. It's gooseberry. Is it? Yeah, gooseberry. Okay. How about a trip to the greenhouse now? For a short visit. Very short. Oh, by the way, before we go there, these are my newest acquisition. It's forbidden in the allotment to grow them or to plant them in the ground. That's why I potted them. I had to throw away my mature cypresses last year when I moved here. Same story here. I lost this tree. I lost this tree. That's why I bought a replacement. I just planted it yesterday. On our way to the greenhouse, how about a visit to the fish or to the pond? Look, let's feed them. How about feeding them to attract their attention? Hey, feeding time, merienda, come. They're not coming. Later. Later. Let's proceed here instead. Oh, I hope we get a good shoot here because of the lighting condition. It's really warm. I already planted. Oh, wait. I put them here. This will be my hanging decorations for the balcony. The annuals, these are the Las Cuatro, 2 tomatoes here, and the dahlias at the top. The greens here, the vegetables, and the corn. I have to keep them here still because it's still cold. And there's still a danger of frost. Here are kinchay, Are they speaking Chinese? No, no, these are mustasa. Chinese. And then here, my most successful crop. These are salads. Oh, that reminds me to harvest them. These are rucolas. And I also lost my bananas. That's why I acquired new bananas. 3 even. They're still inside. For the fear, or for fear of losing them. These are strawberries which I transplanted. I think the fish are awake. I hope this lighting condition is better now, but it's time to conclude our short tour of the garden. We will not just be concluding it like this, it's a bit down because of the... Wait, I just saw this.
Chihuahua.
Look, my most successful crop, these are the peas, Gisantes. They're beginning to bloom, so I think 3 weeks from now, we will be harvesting. And with that, we can say goodbye with this shot. Finally, we can say goodbye with a better lighting condition. I don't know how to make this goodbye more exciting. I'll be leaving you with the flowers, the shots from last year. So, some kind of a preview of what to expect this year here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. I think we're going home. I just closed the shed and we go home. I'd like to see you in our next videos as we grow.